Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you when you are trying to delete some files on iPhone in the Files app. As you can see guys, I have selected multiple files here in my Files app, but the delete option is not showing, not highlighting. The delete option was totally gray out. So if you're also facing the same type of problem, so let's fix it out. First, when you're trying to delete multiple files and you are selecting multiple photos, videos, folder, so at that time you can't able to delete a folder. So iPhone does not allow to delete the folder. Okay, so when you select files, single files like this, multiple single files, so it will highlight the delete button. When you select the folder, so as you can see guys, suddenly the delete option is not highlighting. So remember one thing guys, when you're trying to delete multiple files, you don't able to select folder on that. Just unselect the folder and the delete option is show you. As you can see guys, if you want to delete a folder, you need to open that folder and select the files from the folder like this, and here you can get the delete option. So this is the way to properly delete the files on iPhone in the Files app. If the delete option is not showing, just you don't need to select the folder while selecting multiple photos or videos. In case still the delete option is not showing on your iPhone, at that time if any of one file was open in the background from the folder, you need to close all the recent apps from the iPhone and once again open the Files app, try to delete your file. Now it will 100% get the delete option. Still the delete option is not showing, tap on three dots and here you can get one of the delete or move to recycle bin option. Just delete it. Still the problem is same. You need to open the App Store and here in the App Store you need to search Files app. Okay, and if the file app update is available, just go ahead, update your app. After updating, you need to restart your iPhone one time. After restarting, it will 100% fix your problem. So these are some easy and simple method to fix this issue. So that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.